हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेरी गुड इवनिंग and सबको आज सुबह का नमस्कार. Friends, today I am here to give you an update on what's happening with the case of Sushant Singh Rajput. Friends, from the last 3-4 days I was not able to give you a update, so I am giving you a complete update of the case developments in Sushant Singh Rajput. As you all know, this case has been gone to the Supreme Court, and Supreme Court is still validating whether to send it to the CBI or to give it back to Mumbai after an allegation from the Mumbai police end. But they have to make a thorough investigation of the written documents. Basically, as I told you in the previous video, both the sides are given 2 days time to write their stand and their opinion, and the court is going to validate that, and later there will be a CBI inquiry. And friends, as you all know, there has been a lot of questions stating that CBI record is not great previously. So what everyone is expecting is not just a CBI inquiry, but a court monitored CBI inquiry, SC monitored CBI inquiry. What does that mean? Is something very important. What does that mean is that Supreme Court is monitoring simultaneously when the CBI inquiry is going. That means every time the CBI does the inquiry, the Supreme Court will be updated about each and every move of them, and the Supreme Court will be closely monitoring this case. I think this is a very great step which is required in a case like this. Unless then, we can't get a transparent inquiry to happen in Sushant Singh Rajput case. Other than that, coming to the updates of the case, Times now have revealed a fact that from the ground to the fan, when Sushant Singh Rajput was hanging, the distance from ground to fan was around 510, and the height of Sushant Singh Rajput is more than 6. But when his friend was asked in a TV debate by Ishkaran, he said the height of Sushant Singh Rajput is 5'8" and his height is 5'7" or 5'6". Why did he make that statement? Is because since he already knew the height of, they had made all the pre-planned calculation. If they tell the height of the fan to ground is something more or less, after Sushant Singh died also they can measure it and prove that wrong, but now Sushant Singh is no more, so they would actually make some comments on that. That would be an idea, and this is a completely pre-planned murder thing which you can clearly see from this. Okay, along with that, what is the next important update? Okay, so coming to the next important update, there has been a lot of witnesses which have been threatened from from the nepotists who are there in Bollywood. They are getting a lot of threats. Basically, the proofs, whoever you consider as proof for the real proof, or face witnesses or something like that. So all these witnesses are being threatened today. So for those people who are threatened, there is a message from the CM, from the MP Subramania Swamiji, also from Ishkaran Singh Bhandari, who is one of the young lawyers, stating that if they have got any threat, they can please contact any of these people for getting security for themselves. Reason being, there are a lot of people who are commenting that they don't have any faith in Mumbai police anymore, because tomorrow there is a chance, if they say I am threatened and they want a support for Mumbai police, definitely they won't get it, and even though if they get it, they might only give way for the nepotists to come and kill them or murder them, threaten them, do whatever, because there is a complete break of trust in Mumbai police which has happened, because they have almost demolished every possible evidence which is there in this case. And one more thing, coming to the suspense history. Okay, so the suspense history is that who is that girl. So there has been a lot of pics going